Welcome to A Day in My Life! Alam mo kung bakit puso ng saging ang niluto ko today? Because sometimes love is just like this. Mapait sa umpisa pero kapag inalagaan mo, pwedeng maging masarap hanggang dulo. Today, samahan nyo kaming kumuha ng puso ng saging at gagawin natin itong torta. Of course, hindi naman kailangan ng maraming ingredients. We have flour, durog na paminta, egg, kunting asin, bawang at sibuyas. Pero bago natin ito lutuin, pinigaan ko muna ang puso ng saging sa asin para matanggal yung pait at pakla. And somehow, habang ginagawa ko ito, naisip ko, ganito rin pala ang love. Kapag dalawang taong nagmamahalan, hindi naman araw-araw puro sweetness. May mga tampuhan, may mga misunderstandings, may mga salitang masakit, may mga araw na mapapaisip ka kung kaya pa ba ninyong ipaglaban ng isa't isa. Because real love is not always sweet. Sometimes, love is bitter. Pero kung pareho kayong marunong mag-adjust, marunong makinig, at willing kayong tanggalin yung mga bagay na unti-unting sumisira sa relationship, maybe, just maybe, you can still make something beautiful out of it. After that, hinalo ko na lahat ng ingredients, flour, egg, bawang, sibuyas, paminta at kunting asin. Hinalo ko ng mabuti para matunaw at mag-bind ang flour at egg. Para kumapit ng maayos ang puso ng saging at hindi magkahiwa-hiwalay kapag prinito na ito. And that reminded me of something. Love is also about holding on. Hindi yung holding on dahil takot kang maiwan, but holding on because both of you are choosing each other. Even when things get difficult. Kasi ang relasyon parang mixture din. Hindi sapat na may puso lang, kailangan may effort. Hindi sapat na mahal mo siya, you have to show it. Hindi sapat na gusto mong magtagal kayo, you have to work for it. And just like this torta, kailangan mong paghaluin ang dalawang taong may magkaibang ugali, pananaw, at pinagdadaanan until you find a way to make everything work together. And finally, ready na siya for cooking. For today, kakainin ko ang tortang puso ng saging with pile. May kuyog din ako dito na pinigaan ng kalamansi. And of course, ang sausawa natin, suka with siling labuyo. Simple lang, pero minsan hindi naman natin kailangan ng complicated things para maging masaya. The best kind of love is sometimes the simplest one. Two people choosing each other every single day. Kaya kung may taong mahal mo ngayon, huwag mong hintayin na mawala siya bago mo iparamdam kung gaano siya kahalaga. Say it, show it, choose them. Pero tandaan din, love should never require you to lose yourself just to keep someone. Dahil ang tamang pagmamahalan, hindi ka unti-unting sinisira. It helps you grow, heal, and become a better version of yourself. At kung kayo man ay nasa season ngayon ng maraming pagsubok, remember this, hindi lahat ng pait ay dahilan para sumuko. Minsan, kailangan lang ninyong matutong maghilom, mag-adjust, at piliing magmahal ulit. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang ganitong provincial life, traditional food at mga kwentong may hugot sa buhay at pag-ibig, follow me and samahan nyo ako sa susunod nating journey because sometimes the simplest meal can remind us of the deepest kind of love. That's all. Love ya!